Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the emergency key. Press the tiny release and slide the blade out. Once done, insert a thin flathead or plastic pry tool into the seam and twist gently to separate the halves. This prevents warped plastic. Make sure you have a CR 2032 3V battery on hand. It's the correct size and voltage. You're doing this because the fob-sealed halves hide the cell, and prying at the right spot prevents wire or clip damage. You now lift the circuit board just enough to access the coin cell. Do this gently to avoid bending the PCB. Once exposed, note the battery orientation. The plus side faces up on most darts, but verify visually. Remove the old CR 2032 with a fingernail or non-conductive tool. Avoid metal to stop shorts. Insert the fresh CR 2032 in the same orientation. Press until the retaining clip snaps over the edge. This restores contact and powers the fob's electronics. You finish by aligning the two plastic halves and pressing until they click back together. Make sure no wires are pinched. Reinsert the emergency key until it locks in place. Now test the fob at arm's length. Lock, unlock, and panic. Verify consistent LED blink and reliable range. If it fails, double-check battery orientation and that the contacts are clean. If LED is dead or functions fail, the fob may need reprogramming by cycling ignition or visiting a dealer for pairing.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.